Dear passengers, according to civil aviation and regulation, you must demonstrate this safety equipment on board aircraft. Your seatbelt fasten like this and not like this. To the return for this strap, to unfasten the seatbelt, lift the buckle. In case of pressurization, oxygen mask will drop automatically from the panel above you. Please remove your protective mask before using the oxygen mask. Pull the mask towards you and place it over your nose and mouth. Please release for your head and tighten it by pulling the nose strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. Airbus A320 aircraft with an emergency exit, 2 doors in front cabin, 4 windows in middle cabin, 2 doors in aft cabin. Emergency exit will be emergency station and will guide you towards the exit. There is your life jacket. The life jacket with emergency exit door. For us passenger required for emergency without life jacket is being flat while you are over the way. To install jacket, put it sharply under the tap. Should life jacket fall to inflate, blow into the top. To light the battery plus in water safety guard. The safety brush can be taken level in your seat pocket. Proceed carefully before takeoff. Thank you for your attention and we wish you a very pleasant flight.